Hi, Praveen here. I'm going to show how to fix dash camera in Hyundai i20. Well, this has three lenses. One is for the front view, then inside, another for rear view. I ordered this from wish.com which costed me around 3000 rupees and the link is in the description. It is better to tie both the wires and I am trying to position the camera so that I will know how much length the wire needs to hang out. See, it's very easy to push the wires inside the roof lining. Actually, these roof linings will have gaps all around the edges. Then you need to pull out this rubber seal and remove this A-pillar protection cover as well. Then I need to separate the wires because the power cable need to go through the dashboard to the 12 volt socket and reverse camera wire need to go all the way behind. Remove the tail light and look for reverse positive wire. Actually, there is a red wire along with the camera cable. This red wire has to be connected with reverse light. So, whenever you put reverse gear, the reverse light will glow right. So, it will automatically switch on your reverse camera and also there is a night vision LED lights around the camera which will also light up.